All right, guys, so we're here in the game room. We got 6 Cat 6 lines ran. We're gonna have 1 at the top on each side and 2 at the bottom on each side. Because we're gonna have a TV up top, and then we're gonna have game consoles and computers, PCs all across the bottom, guys. But I ran into an issue. I got a fire block right in the middle, so I couldn't get my wires to go all the way down. So that's when these babies come in handy. I got the Greenlee Diversity Bit System Kit. What this does is it's extension bits. It allows me to stack these together, and I can shoot an auger bit in the wall and through that fire block, and then I'll be able to get my wires down. So stay tuned, guys. We'll show you how it works. It also comes with this cable puller. You can insert your cables, and it'll pull it, kind of like one of those Chinese traps. But stay tuned, guys. We'll show you how it's done. Let's go Greenlee. All right, guys. So I got them out of the package. We got our auger bit. We got both extensions here, as you can tell. Now it has a quick release. You see, I can pull this down and it'll release the bit. So pull it down to snap it in, won't come out. I can quickly pull it back out. So you can put pretty much any bit or auger bit that you want inside these things. It's really nice. And like I said before, you can stack these together if you have a even bigger wall. So you could buy another set of these and do even longer runs if you wanted to, guys. But let's stick to the wall, let's give it a try. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and stick the extension in the wall as far down as we can. And there you go, we can feel that fire block that we need to drill through. Now we wanna keep it as close as we can to the wall, that way we're not drilling through the other side. So ideally, sometimes it's better to come through the attic just so you can keep it straight, guys, but we're gonna keep it as close to the wall as we can and try to drill through this. Let's find a good position. Alright guys, we're through. So now all we gotta do is stick our glow rod through and then we can get our wire down there at the bottom. Alright guys, we got it through the fire block. So I'm gonna try to set it down to Jamie and see if he can find it. Here's our glow rod, guys. We'll pull it and make sure it doesn't get knotted. Our 2 cables. That's how you get to a fire block, guys. Let's go.